A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, now time for prayers come. You want to pray, you bring in your intention. Let's assume you're praying subuhi. You understand? You say usalli salata subuhi kurbatan ila Allahi ta'ala. Allahu akbar. Then you recite alhamdu and another complete chapter. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghayril maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Qul huwallahu ahad. Allahus samad. Lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. After the surahs, you go to ruku. You say Allahu Akbar. Subhana rabbiyal azim wa bihamdi. Sami Allahu liman hamda. Allahu Akbar. Subhana rabbiyal a'la wa bihamdi. You sit a bit. Astaghfirullah rabbi wa atubu ilayh. Allahu Akbar. Subhana rabbiyal a'la wa bihamdi. Allahu Akbar. You sit a bit before you can stand up for the second rakat. Bihawlillahi wa quwwatihi aqumu wa aqud. Then you recite Surat Alhamdu and another complete chapter. Then there is one recommended act here, what we call kunut. After the surahs, you raise up your hand for kunut. You say in a dua you want in Arabic. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasana wa fil akhirati hasana wa qina adhaban nar. After this, you go to ruku. Allahu Akbar. Subhana rabbiyal azim wa bihamdi. Sami Allahu liman hamda. Allahu Akbar. Subhana rabbiyal a'la wa bihamdi. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Subhana rabbiyal a'la wa bihamdi. Allahu Akbar. Now you sit, because you've already finished your 2 rakats. You recite what we call tashahhud. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. That's tashahhud. In case you are praying Maghrib or maybe Dhuhri or Asr, you understand? A prayer of 3 rakats or 4 rakats. When you finish tashahhud, don't say the 3 salams, just stand. Bihawlillahi wa quwwatihi aqumu wa aqud. Then here you can recite alhamdu while whispering. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir rahim. Like that. Or you can recite this one 3 times. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah. Allahu akbar. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah. Allahu akbar. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah. Allahu akbar. Then you go to ruku. Allahu Akbar. Subhana rabbiyal azim wa bihamdi. Then you stand a bit. Sami Allahu liman hamda. Allahu Akbar. Subhana rabbiyal a'la wa bihamdi. Allahu Akbar. Astaghfirullah rabbi wa atubu ilayh. Allahu Akbar. Subhana rabbiyal a'la wa bihamdi. Allahu Akbar. If it's Maghrib, you're done with your 3 rakats. So you just recite tashahhud and the 3 salams. Therefore, if it's like maybe Dhuhri or Asr, you have to rise up. You have to stand again for your 4th rakat. You understand? You recite what we said. Then after, you go to your ruku. Then you come to your sujood. In case you finish each and everything, you sit. You understand? And you recite your tashahhud. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Assalamu alayka ayyuhan nabiyyu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alayna wa ala ibadillahi salihin. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Your prayer is done now. So that's it briefly. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.